Hey guys, welcome back to Cross Creek Classics. Back to another exciting episode, and we are back at our 65 Mustang freshen up project. We got all the metal work done, and we got the car all masked off, got it all wiped down, tacked down, and we are going to put a coat of epoxy primer on all our bare metal here, and put a nice coat of high build on it and sand everything out. And then we're going to give it a nice coat of hot rod black. So sit back and enjoy the ride. Alright guys, so we got our high build primer all wet sanded. Everything come out pretty nice. We're going to now apply a coat of sealer and then our hot rod black for the engine compartment. right, guys, so we have 3 nice coats of hot rod black on our engine compartment. Letting the fumes get out of here. Just checking it out, making sure everything looks pretty good. Pretty happy with it. In case any of you are wondering what hot rod black I'm using, I've used this for a while. It's real nice. It's a 4-to-1 product, but real happy with it, with the outcome of this product. I get this at my local auto paint supply. So guys, that's going to wrap up this video on our engine compartment freshen up of the 65 Mustang. Hope you guys enjoyed watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment below. We'll be happy to answer any questions, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.